Assalamu alaikum, this is Hanzala Suhail. As usual, everyone is know about that the increasing the VAT in the KSA. Because of the VAT, every product is now the high prices, and there is this every product the increment of the prices from the companies because of the VAT. And because of this situation, everyone is now saving the money and saving the amount, and they are not going to the outside for purchase anything except the food. So I think this is the first time there is some companies, and there is something they are giving the best offer prices. So there is the previous rate for the customers, and this is the good thing from the customers. And you can see now I am standing in the front of in the front of the Easy Store. So everyone is know about the Easy Store. Basically, this is the electronic store, so where you can purchase everything of your life. This is electronic items, and you can purchase everything. So they have this one mobile section, so you can purchase any kind of mobile here. So they are making some good offers from 15 July to 7 August, which included the items, which included the electronic items and mobile items also. So I think this is a very good step from the Easy Store for their customers, because they are giving low cost offers, and they are giving the expensive gifts. So this is very good thing, they are giving the gift. So now I will go to the inside and show you the offer, what they are giving the offer to you. And this is my vlog, only on for Najran peoples, because everyone is know. And Easy Store, they have the customers, they have the stores in another regions like Taif, Khobar and the Mam. And this is the offers only on for Najran. So we will go to inside now and let's check the offers. Let's go. And this is outside look of Easy Store. And now we are moving inside, and we are now inside. And now we can see the first of all, this is the view of mobile section, and you are seeing the mobile section. This is offer with the mobile section, you can see. And on every mobile this is there, the accessories section. And now we can review the offers with each item is here. And this is the first page of the flyer. There are the offers are highlighted, and which one the promotion is started from the 15 July to 7 August. And now we can see there the major offers. And there is Huawei, Honor and Revos mobile. Revos is a product of Easy Store, and we will review the product also in the upcoming days. And here is the promotion of the A12, and there is a free tablet cost of 180 Real. And this the bigger offer of the Easy Store. And also this is the A12 is in the 600 with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB memory, and most running item of the Oppo company. And here we can see the last there and here we can see the last page, so for mobiles. And there is some offers are we can see here with the gift of the lower price in all the KSA. So in the Huawei here, and here you can see, the price of best prices of offers and best gift. And each model of Oppo like A92, A31 and A Reno 3, this all the new model with all the gift. So such an amazing offer and such an amazing gift you cannot get from the market. And now you can see the offer pages also. There is the giving the offers of another items. So you can see this the iron and LCDs and like speakers. So every electronic items they have available. So they have available the offers. So I will share this page with you at the last of the flyer. So when I will finish this, so I will share you in on every store item they have on the flyer. Okay. So you can see here is some mix items. And here the Easy Store is giving you the best price offer, and only on the 10 reals. Here is some mix items only. And we can go another side. Here is the section of the speakers and woofers. They are giving the best price offers in 200 reals only. And here is some item for 140 real offer, and trolley speaker is only 270 real, 79 real. And here is the iron section, and they are giving the offer. You can see on the flyers also, it's best offer they are giving to you. And this is section of teapots, and this teapots, and here is also very good offers they can see. And this is also the speaker sections, like told you before. And here is some items. We have the electronics items. So where is the food processors also, this is also the big offer they have. And here is some section of laptop, where is the offer of the Lenovo laptop Core i3 1400. And the second items of this Celeron Lenovo, and there is 999 and 1 terabyte and 4 GB RAM. The offer of LCD 999 and 729 reals. And here is some section of blenders, where is 115 real 4-in-1 kept on company, and rechargeable fan only on this 49 real. So you can visit and purchase all of your items. Thank you. And this is my vlog for you of today, and please subscribe my channel and like the video, and please share the video also, and let's enjoy your shopping with this store. Thank you.